Hi, this is Mike Orton here with the Catamaran Company in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're aboard a Privilege 515 2014 version called Wishing Whale. So Privilege are arguably one of the best built cats on the market. They're built to Bureau Veritas standards. This is a true blue water boat. Will take you pretty much anywhere in the world. The boat is loaded with every possible option. It's got wind, solar, it's even got a hydro generator, full wardrobe of sails. The boat is completely ready for long distance cruising. Let's head inside and have a closer look. So apart from being a true blue water cat, this is where Privilege really sets itself apart. The fit and finish on the interior is second to none. Look at the quality of these cabinets. They're all solid wood. This boat's fitted with a full-size dishwasher, a drawer style 2-drawer refrigerator, 4-burner stove and oven. So again, the interior fit and finish, attention to detail on Privilege. Look at how sexy that is. So moving around to the salon, you've got an L-shaped seating area. The person that bought this boat originally had the boat fitted out with internal blinds, so all the blinds in here come down for complete privacy in a marina. So the nav station on this Privilege is located right by the helm. In this case, they've got the thing absolutely loaded with full sideband radio, short sideband radio, and satellite communications. So here's your single sideband radio. Chart plotter. There's actually 3 chart plotters located on this boat. Satellite phone. We're going to head down into the starboard hull here, which is where the owner's suite is located. As you would expect, the same craftsmanship follows through into the cabins. This owner's suite is unique to Privilege. They make use of the central section of the boat with a full-size bed. So continuing into the owner's suite here, there is a dressing area with a little seating area. All the showers on this boat are fully enclosed. There are no wet heads, so there's 3 completely separate showers. So it's a really good sized shower, plenty of room in here, plenty of head height, also vented directly over the top. So still in the port hull here, coming out of the owner's suite, heading aft. Just show you some of the storage space that we've got here. There's a ton of hanging space. This boat was so well specified from the factory that the owners even put in 2 safes. There's one there and there's another one that's very discreetly hidden. So additional storage down here. More hanging space. And then here we also have additional shelving and high quality drawer units. Moving towards the aft cabin, this is the owner's head, completely separate head here. We've also got an enclosed washer dryer and an additional head here for the aft cabin as well. So here we are in the port aft cabin. To the right you've got the second fully enclosed shower. To your left hand side you've got the head. In here we've got twin beds. Hanging space with additional storage underneath, and both the beds have got generous storage in the drawers here. These are the privacy blinds that you see right throughout this privilege. Again, super nice quality. So moving down now into the port hull, you'll notice as you come down here that the boat's also fitted with rather nice little step lights. Again, great attention to detail. You've got a full-size fridge and freezer on the top and fridge on the bottom, all high quality stainless steel. So we're here in the port aft guest cabin. You've got your head here to the left and the shower enclosures to the right. So we've got a nice large double berth. So moving forward here into the port forward cabin. You have a head here to your left. An awful lot of hanging space and additional storage space down here and in here. Again, another fully enclosed shower. There's also a very nice pull-out dressing table with a drawer unit. And it has a pull-out seat here. So that wraps up the interior tour of this Privilege 515. We're about to head outside to have a look at the exterior of the boat. So the first thing you're going to notice about this boat, it's got very wide sugar scoops. It's all teak lined. You've got a very unique davit system here, extremely strong, and your tender comes to rest on a solid platform here, which makes it much safer in heavy weather. What we can't see here are the LED underwater lights that are mounted underneath the sugar scoops.